Hi guys, Solito is here. Solito will not leave you alone. Yep, in this video, I have a tough challenge for you. Yes, you got it right. It's a tough challenge and a lot of fun. You probably like dogs. Yes, I know, because they are kind and playful animals. So, this challenge is about dogs. Dogs that talk. Dogs that are playful. Dogs that cause havoc. And they do a lot. While watching this video, you should not use words like, wow, cute, oh no, and of course, if you laugh, you lose this challenge. Yes, these are the rules of the challenge. The challenge has two parts, easy and hard. To win the challenge, watch this video till the end, and be sure to participate until the end of the challenge. Are you ready for this challenge? Good. Before start, if you are not a member of this channel, please subscribe to the channel and continue the challenge. Thanks. The easy part begins. 3, 2, 1.
You really do that?
I ain't did nothing. He just lying.
I said
Yeah.
you rub your butthole on my headrest.
Dave.
You do. You lift your tail up.
Oh, you lying.
No, you lift your tail up and you rub your butthole on the headrest.
I can't do that.
No, you're not supposed to do that.
I can.
You're not supposed
Yes,
to.
I can.
No, you're not supposed to do that.
I'm sorry.
You're not.
Sorry.
Hey, Okay, that's... Look at his Hi, bud.
Say I love you. Say I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Say I love you.
Coochie, coochie, coochie. Coochie, coochie, coochie.
Say it. I love you. Yeah!
And now the hard part of the challenge. Please like this video and continue the challenge.
You want a treat? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What? What do you want? Want to come up?
Safe up here. Yeah. Walter! Jesus! Come on, monkey. Good boy. This way.
Yes, guys. Did you win this challenge? Tell me in the comments section. Never forget Solito.